Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this one, I'll show you how to view saved passwords in Google Chrome. Lost access? Can't remember a site's password, but you've logged in before using Chrome? In this video, I'll show you how to find that saved password in Google's Password Manager. Hope this helps, folks. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, let's go. Open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Passwords and Autofill. Three options will appear. Click the first one, Google Password Manager. It'll show all the sites you've saved passwords for in Google. Add a shortcut for quick access by clicking Add Shortcut and Install. You can pin it to your taskbar so it'll be right down here. When you need passwords, folks, just click here. Up here, you'll see three options: Passwords, Checkup. It's checking passwords. There's a password checkup. It'll tell you if any passwords are compromised. It'll show reused passwords, ones you use on multiple sites. I have 164 reused passwords and also weak ones. I've got 86 here, so you can change these if you want. Change password and avoid using reused ones. In Settings, enable saving passkey passwords. In Passwords, find the site you want to check. Enter PC password. Click the eye to see saved password. Did you manage it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.